So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing body butter. It is so good for your skin. It's got butters and oils that keeps your skin really moisturized and soft. If this is something that interests you, please keep watching to see how I make this amazing supple body butter to pamper and rejuvenate your skin. Now I'm going to be starting out with measuring my shea butter in a bowl. I'm going to be using 300 grams of shea butter. Now I'm going to be adding in carrot oil to my shea butter. Carrot oil is absolutely amazing for the skin. So if you want to see how I make this carrot oil, I'm going to link the video up. Carrot oil is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A and E, and it really helps in nourishing the skin, making it smooth, bright, and glowing. We're going to be adding in jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is really good for the skin as it's very much like our skin's natural oils, and so it just helps to moisturize the skin without clogging up the pores and allows for your skin to become more nourished and definitely healthier. And this is the fun part where we get our electric mixer and we begin to whip and mix our shea butter combination down. Now I'm going to be adding approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good for the skin. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a great anti-aging formula for your skin. I added in my preservative Gemo Liquid Plus. Now, this is optional. If you're going to be using it at home and you're not making a bigger batch, you don't need to add in this preservative. But if you're going to be making a big batch, which you intend to store for some time, then it would be advisable for you to add in your preservative. I'm going to be adding in a blend of essential oils. We're going to be using our lavender essential oil and our lemongrass essential oil to our body butter. And we're going to whip it some more to make it fluffy and very airy. Now we're going to be adding in arrowroot powder to our body butter. Now arrowroot powder really helps to cut the oily texture and helps the recipe absorb more quickly. So it's really good in making your body butter feel less greasy. Look how beautiful this shea butter looks. It's non-greasy and totally absorbing into the skin, making your skin instantly look youthful and more younger. It just gives your skin a natural sheen and shine to it that is so glowy, and it definitely improves the appearance of your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please give it a like and definitely consider subscribing. Do have a wonderful day and enjoy. Make sure you try out this body butter recipe and comment below on any questions that you might have. Thank you so much for watching.